Welcome to our channel. If you want to record your screen while streaming content using OBS Studio software, follow these step-by-step instructions to capture high-quality video. Step 1. Download OBS Studio from the official website at obsproject.com. Choose the version compatible with your operating system and install it on your computer. Step 2. Open OBS Studio after installation. If this is your first time using OBS, it will launch a configuration wizard. Follow the prompts to optimize settings for your system. Step 3. Create a new scene by clicking the plus icon in the Scenes panel at the bottom left. Name your scene something descriptive like screen recording. Step 4. Add a display capture source to your scene. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel, select Display Capture, and give it a name. Step 5. In the Display Capture Properties window, select which monitor you want to record if you have multiple displays. Click OK to add the source. Step 6. Adjust the recording settings by going to File menu, then Settings, and selecting the Output tab. Choose Recording as the output mode. Step 7. Set your recording quality preferences. For high quality, use the recording format MP4 or MKV and set video bitrate to at least 15,000 kbps for 1080p recording. Step 8. Configure audio sources by adding desktop audio in the Audio Mixer panel. This captures system sounds including streaming audio. Add a microphone source if you want to include voice narration. Step 9. Before recording streaming content, note that recording copyrighted material may violate terms of service and copyright laws. Record only content you have rights to record or for personal use within legal guidelines. Step 10. Click Start Recording in the Controls panel when you're ready to begin. OBS will record everything on your selected display. Click Stop Recording when finished and find your file in the location specified in Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.